Good evening. My name is Giselle Flores. I teach in child development, and I'm pretty excited about this repository for videos. They're short clips of either child care providers or in the center based care or home based care, different family interactions, which are going to be really great in supporting our children's understanding of some of the concepts that we're discussing in our classes. It is specific to child development, but I'm actually thinking that different departments like psychology and social sciences can also use some of these videos to enhance their students' learning as well. I did notice that there are terms of use. The videos are free for usage in educational purposes, but they do ask that they're not used to speak poorly of the volunteers who volunteered their time and volunteered to have themselves be recorded. I know that really creates some vulnerability, so I can understand that being part of the terms of use. But other than that, as long as these videos are being used for educational purposes, there's over 300 videos available. What I really like is that you can search videos based on what specifically you're targeting. For instance, if I was talking that week about cognitive development and I needed students to be able to visualize that, I can type in cognitive development. I can select different tags to support the search, and it'll lead me to that specific video that I'm looking for, or a whole list of multiple videos that I can choose from. So I thought this was pretty neat. Like I said, more specific to my discipline, but that's exactly what this assignment was supposed to do. So that is my repository. It is specifically Eastern Connecticut State University, but it is free for all faculty and trainers to use across different campuses. So thank you for your time.